What's up guys, English Dan back with another video. Video is revolving around the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra again. We all know it's a new device. We also know that a lot of people are having problems with the battery. Me included, like I said before. This is why you've not seen a review from me yet, because something is definitely going wrong with the battery life on this. I'm using the Snapdragon version. I'm also hearing people are getting it as bad and sometimes worse over in Europe in the Exynos version. So I did a little bit of testing, and I think I figured out one of the culprits to do with why the battery's draining so fast. For a Note device, I should be getting more than between 4 and 5 hours screen on time, but that's what I've been getting. But there's also been an option that I've had turned on which should make my battery last longer, but I think it's been having the reverse effect. After doing some testing yesterday, after changing this round, I actually got about 6.5, 7 hours screen on time, running 120 Hz, nothing else disabled. So let me get into it and let me show you what you need to do. Welcome back guys. So yeah, this is it. This is what I found yesterday worked for me. Give me a lot better battery life. I am also going to do a couple of other tests of disabling a couple of other things to see just how far you can take the Note 20 Ultra battery. Now don't get me wrong, the S20 Ultra had 500 milliamp hours more, and that seems to be a big thing when it comes to the battery life on the Note 20 Ultra. It's really missing that extra 500 milliamps. But here's how I figured out that I can get a little bit more battery life out instead of the 4.5, 5 hours that I have been getting. So all you do is grab your phone. And what you do from your desktop, you can either swipe down from the top, hit the icon for your settings up here on the top right. I can't do that because for some reason Samsung decided to put the screen record stop button there, so if I press that it stops recording. Great. So I'm going to click on the icon here. Brings me to my settings. What you want to do, you want to scroll down until you get to device care. See there, battery, storage, memory. Hit on device care. This will bring this up. Hit battery. This will tell you got 18 hours and 18 minutes left in my case, 77% available. You got to ignore that because I've been doing different things with my phone today, doing some little tests, but still. See here it says power mode and optimized. I leave it on optimized. Optimized was the way it was shipped to me. But there's this setting down here, adaptive power saving. Set the power mode automatically based on your usage patterns to save power when it's not needed. This won't change your screen resolution. And what this option does here is it actually learns how you use your phone. It takes 2 or 3 days to do it, and every time you come in here over the 2 or 3 days it'll say learning. I've had that on. I'm on my second Note now and I had it on both of them. As you'll notice, I turned it off. Make sure that's off if you've turned it on. A simple little thing like that, it seems to be doing the opposite to what it's meant to be doing. Where it's going to be learning how you use your phone and increase your battery life, this sucker's draining the battery somewhat terrible. Yesterday I had this off from, well, I turned it off while it was charging. It came off the charger. By the time I went to bed, I still had 27% left and I had 5.5 hours screen on time. Normally, my phone's dead by then. I'm very lucky to get to 5.5. I'm usually getting to 5, sometimes 4.5. So just try, test it out, take adaptive power saving mode and turn it off if you've got it turned on. If you've not got it turned on and you're still getting dreadful battery life, I might have a follow-up video for you of things that you might be able to disable, but what's annoying is it's a $1,300 phone. You shouldn't have to disable features on a device to get better battery life. But hopefully this helps you out for now. Let me know down in the comments if this has been anything that's worked out for you. Obviously it's going to take a day or two for you to realise, see if it has, if you are getting more screen on time. But I'm hoping it does. Spread the message, let people know. Let's see if this is the issue that Samsung need to fix. Anyway, alright guys, English now. Laters.